Hello everyone, welcome to SSB Crack Exams. My name is Sakshi and this is going to be a very informative session, as in this session we are going to discuss the Indians who won the Nobel Prize till date. So before beginning, let me tell you, if you're preparing for defense examination sitting back home, SSB Crack is best for you. It is a one-stop solution for all the major defense-related examination, be it CDS, NDA, Territorial Army or others. For more details, you can log into our website ssbcrackexams.com, or you can follow us on the social media platforms for the defense updates and notification. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram. Please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also download our mobile app SSB Crack Exams from Google Play. So before anything else, let's first discuss what is a Nobel Prize. So Nobel Prize, they are given under the will of Alfred Bernhard Nobel, who died in 1896. He was a Swedish chemist and an engineer. He discovered the nitroglycerin and its use in the manufacture of dynamite. The Nobel Prizes, they are given each year in the 6 particular fields: the Nobel Prize in Peace, Physics, Chemistry, Medicines, Literature and Economics. The Nobel Prize in Medicine, it started in 1901. Literature also started in 1901 only, and Economics, it started in 1968. So the Nobel Prize awarding bodies are the Swedish Academy of Literature Award, the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, the Nobel Academy of Karolinska, Chirurgical Sweden, the Bank of Sweden Awards, which gives the prize in economics, and the Committee of Norwegian Parliament. So let's begin our session, and the very first Indian who received the Nobel Prize was Rabindranath Tagore. He got the award in literature, particularly for his excellent work in the Gitanjali, and he was awarded in the year 1930. And the award was given to him because of his profoundly sensitive, fresh and beautiful verse, by which with consummate skill he has made his poetic thought expressed in his own words, which is the part of literature of the West. Rabindranath Tagore was also titled as Gurudev, Kabi Guru and Vishwa Kabi. He was Bengali poet, writer, musician, composer and a painter. After him, the award was given to C.V. Raman. He got the award in physics and particularly for his work on the Raman effect. The Nobel Prize in the physics in 1930 was awarded to Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman for his work on scattering of light and for the discovery of the effect named after him, that is the Raman effect. He discovered that when the light transfers a transparent material, some of the deflected light changes wavelength and amplitude. This phenomena was a new type of scattering of light and was subsequently known as the Raman effect. He was the first non-white Indian and the Asian to receive the Nobel Prize in any branches of science. After him, the award of 1968 was awarded to Dr. Har Gobind Khurana, and he got the award in medicine for his work in the genetic code. And he was awarded for the interpretation of genetic code and its function in protein synthesis. He was Indian-American biochemist. While on the faculty of University of Wisconsin Medicine, he shared the 1968 Nobel Prize with Marshall and Nirenberg and Robert W. Hawley. Their research showed that the order of nucleic acid, which carry the genetic code of cell and control the cell synthesis of proteins. Later on, the award was given to Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, and he got the award in the field of physics and particularly for his work in the Chandrasekhar's limit. And the award was given to him in 1983 for his theoretical studies of physics, process of importance of the structure and the evolution of stars. Mr. Subramaniam was Indo-American astrophysicist. He spent his professional life majorly in US. He was awarded with the Nobel Prize with William and Pollard. His mathematical treatments of stellar evolution yielded many of the current theoretical models of the later evolutionary stages, particularly of the massive stars and the black holes. Chandrasekhar limit is named after him only. After him, the award was conferred to Amartya Sen, and he got the award in economics for the welfare economics particularly. The award was given to him in the year 1998. And it was given to him for the research on the fundamental problem in the welfare economics, studies of social choice, welfare measurements and poverty. Amartya Sen is an economist and since 1972 has taught and worked in UK and US. He made contribution of the welfare economics, social sciences theory, economics and social justice, decision theory, development economics, public health, and measure of well-being of countries. Currently, he is a professor at economics and philosophy at Harvard University. He has also awarded as Bharat Ratna in 1999 for his work in the welfare economics. After him, the award was given to the Sir V.S. Naipaul, who is also known as Vidyathar Suraj Prasad Naipaul. He got the award in literature and he was given the award in the year 2001 for having united perceptive, narrative and incorruptible scrutiny in the work that compels us to see the presence of suppressed histories. He is of Indian descent. His work majorly was around the fiction and the non-fiction in English. He published more than 30 books in 50 years. He also won the Booker Prize in 1971. So after him, the Nobel Prize was given to Venkataraman Ramakrishnan. He was given the award in the chemistry and particularly for his work for the ribosomes. And the award was given to him in 2009 for the studies of the structure and the function of ribosomes. Mr. Ramakrishnan is an Indian British American biologist who is the current president of the Royal Society of London. He shared the Nobel Prize with Thomas A. Stites and Ada Yunath. Let's discuss about the most recent one, that is Kailash Satyarthi. He was given the Nobel Prize in Peace for the struggle against child labor. And the award was given to him in the year 2014 and it was awarded for their struggle against suppression of children and young people and for the right of all children to education. He also advocated universal right to education. He was a co-recipient of Nobel Prize along with Malala Yousafzai. He is the founder of many social activist organizations such as Bachpan Bachao Andolan, Global March Against Child Labor, Global Campaign for Education, and Kailash Satyarthi Children Foundation. With Bachpan Bachao Andolan, he liberated more than 88,000 children in India from child labor, slavery, and trafficking. He was among the Fortune's magazine's World Greatest Leader in 2015 as well. And now the most recent one, Abhijit Banerjee. He was given the award in recent 2019 only and he was awarded for the work in economics and particularly the welfare economics. He was awarded for the experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. Mr. Banerjee is an Indian American economist, currently the Ford Foundation's International Professor of Economics at Massachusetts Institute of Technology. He shared the Nobel Prize with Esther Duflo, his wife, and Michael Cremo. He is a co-founder of Abdul Latif Jameel Poverty Action Lab 2 and he is a research affiliate of Innovation for Poverty Action. So all these Indians have held a head high. We can do our bit by getting motivated from all of them. I'll keep coming up with such series. For that you will have to stay tuned. Till then, work hard. Jai Hind.